It's time I end everything now.
Bro, this city never sleeps. Look at the vibe today. I swear, everywhere just they shine. Today goes sweet.
Cheers to another day of soft life. Now we dey run this city, bro. Take your sip, Joe. Guy, remember that day you tried to chase your own shadow?
Forget that thing. That shadow nearly beat me.
You know, say I be king of the road, right?
Oh yeah, drive small, small. I know get 9 lives like you.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, it was so fun. I know you enjoyed that video you just watched right now. I know it sounds so amazing. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also create something exactly like what you just watched right now. In fact, I will teach you how you can use your own face. You can use any image, how you can also swap your face. In fact, I'm going to show you a lot of things in this video. So make sure you stick to this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, you may miss some things I will be showing you right now in this video. So now, without wasting much of your time, let's go drive into it. Let me show you how you can create amazing videos like what you just watched moment ago, and also how you can swap your face, or also how you can edit a lot of beautiful image using this new AI tool called Popcorn. With this new AI tool, you can generate any type of image. You can also generate any type of video with a consistency character. Yes, you can do it in the help of this new AI tool. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can edit something amazing like what you just watched. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you'll be seeing more videos on how you can be using AI, and also how you can be making massive income for yourself every blessed day. Now, let's get started. And to get started, all you have to do is to head over to the description of this video. You are going to see the link to this platform, this AI tool. Now, when you click on the link, it will bring you to an interface like this. And when it brings you to an interface like this, if you are using mobile phone, you need to change your phone to desktop mode so that you can be able to view the platform very well. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this popcorn free. As you can see here, popcorn free, you click on it. Now, when you click on the popcorn free, it's going to take you to an interface like this. Now, if you have not registered, you need to register. On this platform, I will show you those videos I created, which you see moment ago, and also how you can also swap your face. Now, when you click here, these are all the videos I've created using this platform. I'm going to show you everything, how I did everything. Now, you can create videos automatically, and you can also create videos manually. When you check here, you are going to see manually, and you are also going to see you are going to see automatic. But I usually use automatic to create my videos. So now, as you can see, you can upload your own image. After you upload your image, you give it a prompt, and it's going to generate the moving scene for you. If you want to create a moving scene, yes, if you want to create a moving scene. Now, as you can see, these are all the image it generated for me just by uploading a single image. And I know a lot of people will be wondering, how did I come up with this? Yes, how I come up with this movie, like a movie you just watched a moment ago. How I come up with that, I use ChatGPT to generate my prompt. Yes, let me show you guys. Now, coming to ChatGPT here, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. I said, hello, I want to generate Hollywood movies, 50-second movie with AI. So I want you to act as a professional prompt engineer to give me a prompt I can use to generate the full movie scene of the image, and also image to video prompt with the sound, voice that will match the movie scene to make it look attractive and very nice to watch. The movie scene show, you can read this thing. Oh, I don't have time to read all this thing, but if you need the prompt, I'm going to give you the prompt. Now, this is what I give to ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. Now, as you can see, this is the image prompt. So as you can see, use this as your main generated prompt. So as you can see, create a fast fused Nollywood style movie. So this is what ChatGPT gave to me. Now I copy everything, and after I copy everything, now I need to go back to the platform. Now after going back to the platform, I click on automatic here And the next thing I did was to click on upload image. I click on upload image, and after I click on upload image, I copy this prompt you guys are seeing here. I copy this prompt, and after I copy this prompt you guys are seeing here by clicking on select, and I copy everything. So after I copy everything, I came back to the AI tool and I paste the description here. Now, after you paste the description here, the only thing you need to do is to click on result here. As you can see result here, make sure you select your result. How many results do you want? If you want 1 result, 2 result, 3 result, 4 result. But according to my movie scene I get from ChatGPT, the movie scene is supposed to be 6 scene. So that is why I select 6 here. Now I need to select the video ratio. Which ratio did I want? Now, after clicking on the ratio, you can select any ratio you want. Based on I'm using it for YouTube, that is why I select 16.9. But if you are using it for TikTok or for your Instagram, you can select their ratio here. So after selecting the ratio, the next thing I need to do is to click on generate. And when I click on generate, that is when I get this movie image you are seeing right here. Now, let me open the image so that you guys will see. Now, this is the first image it gave to me, and this is the second image. As you can see, this is the images it created for me, which I use for the scene. Now, how I created those videos you watched a moment ago was very simple. All I have to do is to tap on the image. When I tap on the image, you are going to see this 3 dot here. You click on it. When you click on it, you are going to see animate. As you can see, all you just have to do is just to animate. When you click on animate, then it will ask you to put your prompt here. Yes, what do you want the image to do? You have to put your prompt. Now, after you put your prompt here, the next thing you have to do, after you put your prompt here, the next thing you are going to do is to select the model here. You click on model here. Now, when you click on model, it have different type of model. You are going to see VEO, you are going to see OpenAI, Sora, you are going to see different type of it. But for me, I use one. You click on one. When you click on one, you are going to use, I use 1.5, I use 2.5. This one you are seeing right here. When I click on one, then I'll select my resolution. I click on it. Now, I want the best quality video. That is why I choose it, put it on 1080p. So as you can see it here, and the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate. And when you click on generate, it will start generating your videos. And that is how I generated all these videos you are seeing here. Just by simple prompts, I generate the images, and it can generate thousands of images with consistency character. Yes, as you can see, that is how I did, and I generate of everything here. Now, going back to ChatGPT, you are also going to see it on ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT gave me prompt, image prompt to video of all the scene, each by scene. As you can see, this is the first scene, the second scene, and the sound, everything. ChatGPT gave me everything. As you can see, these are all the scene. Now, the only thing I just need to do is just to be copying this prompt and be pasting it here, and it generates the video for me. Now, let me go back and show you the second video for the cat. Yes, I also generate that one, but just by uploading an image. Yes, I uploaded an image of a cat. Yes, for me to be able to, and for me to be able to generate that video of cat that you see, all I need to do is to upload the image of a cat. Now, as you can see, this is the image, and I gave him a prompt also, and it generates the entire image scene for me. As you can see, with consistency character, just single prompt is going to generate thousands of scenes for you. Yes, it's going to generate thousands of scenes. And all you just have to do is just to tap on the image, you click on this 3 dot here, and you click on animate, and you start animating your videos, and it's going to look very perfect, nice, just the way you see my videos moment ago. Now, let me show you how you can also do face swapping, because I see a lot of people asking me a question that can they be able to swap their face using this AI tool. Yes, let me show you one example. Now, the next thing I'm going to do face swapping is to upload an image. Let me upload image. This image you are seeing here. Let me upload this image. This image you are seeing. Let me view this image. As you guys can see, this is the image. Now, let me go back and upload my own image. Now, I've also uploaded my image. Now, as you can see, this is my image. Now, I want to face swap the face with the first image I uploaded. Now, all I just have to do is just to put this description here. I will say swap the face of face in image 2 to image 1. This is the simple prompt. Swap the face in image 2 to image 1. Then I'll click on generate. Let's use the ratio to be 19.6. Then I'll click on generate. Now let's see the result. Let's wait for the result. Give it some minutes and it's going to generate the result. Sorry, I click on the result to be 6. So I'm expecting to get 6 different type of results. Yes, I'm expected to get 6 different type of results. Let's just give it some minutes and it's going to generate our image for us. As you can see, it's generating the image. But because of my network is very slow, that is why it's very slow. But let's just give it some minutes and it's going to generate it for us. You can generate different type of image, even advert image. Yes, you can generate it by giving it a prompt of the product you want the object to hold or the image to hold, and it's going to do it perfectly for you. Let's just give it some minutes. Now, as you can see, it has successfully swapped the face for us. Now, as you can see the image here. Now, this is the result. As you can see, this is my face already. As you guys can see, this is my face. In fact, yes, this is me. This is me. It's different from the image we uploaded. Let me show you the image we uploaded. Now, this is the image we uploaded. As you can see, this is the image we uploaded. Now, this is the image it generated for us. As you can see, the difference is Abby. So you can also use it for face swapping. You can use it. Now, let's go back. I know a lot of people will be asking, how can you use this platform? All you just have to do is to register. And after you register, you are also going to start using the platform for free. But if you are using it for free and it requests you to upgrade, all you just have to do is just to click on the pricing here. Let me show you different type of package. They have different type of package here, which you can subscribe to, and you'll be creating your videos. Now, as you can see, they have the basic one, which is for $9 per month, and this you'll be giving 150 credit per month. As you can see, access to select videos model. You can see all different type of package here. They also have the pro plan. They also have unlimited plan, and they also have the creators plan. You can see different type of their package right now, and they are doing Black Friday right now. So if you, which they are doing 65% off discount. So this is a great opportunity for you to unlock the tool and start using it to create amazing videos, edit images, edit your videos for more, edit your videos. So if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I start drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.